Many times we encounter a scenario where we need to check if a vector contains a given element or not. Ideally, we do not have any contains function in vectors. Therefore, we'll be using generic find function from STL algorithms. And hence, we have created a generic function that you can use with any kind of vector to check if the vector contains a given element or not. Now inside this contains function, we are using STL's find function. The find function accepts three arguments. The first one is the iterator pointing to the start of the range. Second is the iterator pointing to the end of the range. And third is the element that needs to be checked. It iterates all the elements in the range and looks for any element that matches the given value. As soon as it finds a match, it returns an iterator pointing to the location of that element. But if the element does not exist in the vector or range, it will return an iterator pointing to the end of the range. By checking the return value of the find function, we can confirm if the vector contains the given element or not. Now let us see an example to verify whether the contains function is working properly or not. So we have a vector of elements with 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26 elements. We will be searching for two different elements. The first one is 100 and the second one is 24. Now we call the contains function for both the elements. First time it will search for 100 and second time it will search for 24. Now let's see the output. As we can see in the output, the results are vector does not contains the value 100 and vector contains the value 24. So that's how we can use a generic contains function which will return a boolean value to check if the vector contains an element or not. That was all in this video. Thank you.